The Art of Customer Surveys, Likert Scale Chart Visual for Customer Surveys in Power BI. You can create a Likert scale chart with 3 different data formats. Data Format 1. One categorical data column that contains the questions. One numerical data column that contains the Likert scale values. One numerical data column that contains the record count values. Note, Likert scale chart can be created with multiple scales, that is from 2-point scale to 10-point scale. Data Format 2. Each survey question is placed in a column. Survey responses, numeric, are placed in the rows. Data Format 3. Each survey question is placed in a column. Survey responses, text, are placed in the rows. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals to add the Likert Scale Chart Visual. Search for ChartExpo. Select ChartExpo's Likert Scale Chart. Add the Likert Scale Chart in Visuals. Click on the Import Data from Excel. Select Surveys for Customer Excel file to load data in Power BI. Click on the Open button to load the data. Select the 3 worksheets that contain the 3 different data formats. Click on the Load button. Once the data is successfully loaded, this screen will be displayed. Now we will create a Likert scale chart with the Format 1 data. Click on the Likert scale chart icon to add it in the report. Click on the Format 1 data model. Drag and drop questions in the dimension box. Drag and drop scale in the scale box. Drag and drop response in the rating box. Click on the Format Visual button. Click on the trial mode and enter your email to enable the trial. Slide the Enable Trial button to the right. To remove ChartExpo watermark, you need to purchase a subscription. Click on the Buy Now link. Enter an email address and receive a license key in your inbox. Copy license key from the email and paste it in Power BI to activate the subscription. To remove the watermark, paste the license key in License Settings. Slide the Enable License button to the right. Chart is created with the Format 1 data. Now we will create a Likert scale chart with the Format 2 data. Click on the Format 2 data model. Drag and drop questions one by one in the scale box. Chart is created with the Format 2 data. Now we will create a Likert scale chart with the Format 3 data. Click on the Format 3 data model. Drag and drop questions one by one in the dimension box. For the Format 3, you have to set the scale mapping property. This step will be shown shortly. Continue to drag and drop questions one by one in the dimension box. Click on the Format Visual icon. Click on the scale mapping to map the scale values. Map dissatisfied to 2. Map neutral to 3. Map satisfied to 4. Map very dissatisfied to 1. Map very satisfied to 5. Click on the General tab to change the properties. Click on the title to add a title. Click on the Visual tab to change the properties. Click on the Scale type to change the scale. You can change the scale. Likert Scale Chart can be created with multiple scales, that is from 2-point to 10-point scale. You can reset the properties to default. Click on the Reset to Default button. You can change scale color. Click on the X-axis to change the axis color. Click on the bar and label to change the properties. You can show hide percentages. You can show hide numbers. You can apply formats to inner labels. You can apply formats to text, questions, above the bar. You can show hide stats. Click on the smiley icon and text to change the properties. You can show hide smiley icon and text. Change the smiley text according to your requirement. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.